Hello and namaste. Welcome to today's transition flow practice. We will be doing a few transitions from one posture to another. It will be about a lot of stability, core, and also finding your breath. Focus on how you feel rather than how you look. Let's find downward dog. Take some extra time to warm up those hamstrings. Feel free to bring some movement into your knees, into your hips, allowing yourself to feel just comfortable. Coming into plank. Round your back slightly, chest in, press the fingertips, lean the weight ahead, push the shoulder blade away from each other. Very slow pushing back into downward dog. Inhale, come back into plank. Beautiful basic transition from downward dog to plank, trying to flow with the breath. Exhale to go down. Inhale to come ahead and breathe. Exhale. Inhale, come ahead. Exhale. Inhale, come ahead. Exhale. Inhale, come ahead. From here, you bring the shoulder blades together and push the shoulder blades away. Weight on the fingertips. Shoulder blades together. Shoulder blades away. 8. And out. 7. Good. 6. Beautiful. 5. 4. 3. Amazing. 2. And 1. Push back into downward dog. Drop your knees. Find your palms facing up. Fingers towards your knees. Shift your weight to the left and right. Left and right. Just warming through this. Make a fist, release, fist, release, fist, release, fist, release. Hold it. Release. Come back into plank. Take your left leg up, bring it all the way to the front and take it back. Same leg and back. Out and back 3 more times. And back. Try not to shift your weight on the right side. Keep it going in center. Change legs. Beautiful engagement through the core. Weight in center. 2 more. And 1. Take your hips back into downward facing dog. Push the shoulder blade. Drop your elbow down. And walk your legs to the front and push the chest back. Try to open, lift your heels and open through that chest. Push the chest back. Beautiful. Slowly coming up into downward dog. Step your right leg outside the right hand into lizard lunge. Just up and down with the hips. Very gentle pulses. Shoulders alive and neck alive. Now we take the hip back, keeping the legs exactly where they were, just lifting the front toe and then push it back down. Front and back. Good. Push the hips back entirely, straighten both the legs, bend the front leg. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Slowly, just trying to drop both the elbows down. Opening those hips. Getting the legs ready for the work that we're going to do. Feel free to warm up a little bit more if you need for the transitions that are coming ahead. Coming back onto your palms, arch your back, bend the back knee and grab your ankle to push it to your hips. Slowly, just open your chest towards the left side. The left heel goes back, arms coming up. From here, we drop our body to the right side, lift up. Bring that toe inwards, the right toe in. Breathe, reach up rather than down. Think of diagonal corner. Going for left side, just drop the feet and see if you can lift the right feet off. Drop the hands, and arms up, hold it. Breathe, beautiful. Bring that knee up and hold on to it. Point your feet and push the chest ahead, hips ahead. Yes. Slowly drop this leg over on the left side. Turn and forward fold. From here, taking the right leg straight back up in three-legged dog. Open it through. Drop it back into downward dog. Bend both the knees and turn both the knees to the left side. Turn both the knees to the right side. Coming back straight, left leg ahead outside the hands. Drop the hips slightly down and very gentle pulses. Beautiful. Allow your shoulder blades to be away. Allow your face to be relaxed, dropping down onto your elbows. Breathe through it. Coming back on your palms, just straightening the front leg, lifting the front toes, and bend. Straight, bend. When you straighten that front leg, don't think of rounding your back, think of straightening your back. That's when you feel that stretch into your hamstring. Bend, arch your back beautifully. Yes, arch, arch, arch. Bend the back knee, grab the ankle and push it to your hips. Feel that stretch in your quads. Slowly release and turn towards the right side, towards your front. Your right knee is facing front and the heel back. Straighten the left leg, left toe in. Drop on the left side first. Think of stretching upwards diagonally and breathe. Slowly coming back, dropping the right arm down, left leg up. Engage through the legs and arms up. Breathe. Trying to bring the knees up, point the feet and push the hips to the front. More. Good. Push, push, push. Cross that leg over to the front and turn into a pyramid. Straighten that spine. Breathe. Slowly take the leg back into three-legged dog. Drop it into wild things. Drop the left leg on the back side of the right. Over and lift up the wild things. Breathe. From here, turn onto your side plank. Bring that left leg up. Lift up as much as you can. Lift through the lats. Grab your big toes and lift up. See if you want to extend your leg. Open that hip, point that leg and look up. If you want to add active engagement, just leave the legs there without holding through the hands. Slowly bring the knees to chest, coming down on your left palm. Open your right arm up on the side plank on the right. You can stay here or grab the outer edge of your left foot and extend. Point your feet, open your chest. Find that balance and look up. Breathe. Slowly bring the knees to chest. Take it back up into three-legged dog. Drop both the elbows down. Walk your legs in the front. And see if you want to float up into your pincha. Or just hold in your dolphin. Dropping the leg exactly the way you entered. Lifting up into three-legged dog. Dropping the left leg in the front. Both arms up, back heel flat. Exhale. Interlock your fingers behind your back. And going down for humble warrior. Lower, lower, lower. Try not to rest your chest on the thighs. Slowly coming back into Chaturanga. Palms from plank going down. Inhale up. Exhale back. Take your right leg straight up. Bend the knees, open the hips. Drop it into wild things. Arms up. Breathe. Shifting the weight on the left arm. Going into side plank first. Find your balance. Lift up that hip. Reach for your big toe. Open your chest. Open your hips. Straighten the leg and see if you want to look up. Maybe without the hand. Bring the knees to chest. Open your plank on the left side. Grab the outer edge of your foot and extend to the side. Open, look through the armpit and up. Bring the knees to the chest. Drop the elbows down. Take the leg up. Walk it slightly ahead. And find your balance into your pincha. Return exactly how you entered. Stepping your right leg ahead. Both arms up. Veerbhadrasana 1. Lower the hips. Ribs in. Interlock your fingers behind your back. Lift up the chest and exhale. Go down on the left diagonal. Lower the hips. Breathe. Slowly dropping your hands to the floor. Coming into plank. Hold here. Very controlled, slow Chaturanga. 90-degree hold. Stay. And up. Downward facing dog. Hopping your feet right in front. Open your toes, heels together. Coming into your crow pose. Take your time. Find your balance. After one more breath, we jump back into Chaturanga. Jump back. Inhale up. Exhale down. Dropping both the knees down. Walking both the arms in the front into heart opener. Breathe through it. Walk your hands one more step ahead. And breathe. Slowly coming up. Lying down on your stomach. Pressing the palms down and pulling the chest in the front. Shoulder blades back. Breathe. Push back into child's pose. Relax your arms behind next to your ankles and rest the head. Take your time to slowly come up. That was lovely. Thank you so much for flowing with me.